Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever had that moment where you're scrambling to keep your hair tools from slipping off the counter, then this product might just solve that issue. Today, we're talking about the Shark HD100SANM non-slip silicone mat, specifically designed to protect your countertops while keeping your Shark HyperAIR Hair Dryer securely in place. So what exactly is this silicone mat? It's a simple yet effective accessory designed to prevent your hair dryer from sliding around as you style your hair. Made from durable silicone, the mat provides a textured top surface that grips the hair dryer, while the bottom is designed to firmly hold onto your countertop without leaving marks or scratches. From the moment I started using this mat, I was impressed by how it's designed to keep the dryer in place, no matter how much you're moving it around. It's easy to roll up and store away when not in use, making it a practical solution for anyone who wants to maintain an organized space without dealing with bulky items. If you're anything like me, you want to avoid clutter and keep your styling area neat. And this mat does exactly that. The non-slip design is a game changer, especially if you've ever struggled with your dryer shifting on a smooth surface. I used it in my bathroom on a granite countertop, and the mat really did hold the dryer steady while I worked through my hairstyling routine. It's also great because the mat doesn't slide around either. Thanks to its solid grip, you can confidently place your dryer down without worrying about it shifting. However, while the functionality of this mat is spot on, it's important to note that it's a simple product that doesn't offer any added features like heat resistance. It serves one clear purpose: keeping your hair tools in place, and it does it very well. But if you're looking for something multifunctional, this might not meet all your needs. In terms of value for money, it's definitely a low-cost item that makes a big difference in your beauty routine. It's inexpensive, but functional, so you won't feel like you're overspending. For those who already own the Shark HyperAIR Hair Dryer, it's an easy accessory that complements the tool's sleek design without breaking the bank. Plus, the fact that it's flexible for storage makes it convenient for those with limited counter space. When comparing this mat to others on the market, I've found that many mats either don't have the same grip or are more difficult to store. Some are heat resistant, but often don't have the non-slip grip that you'd want when placing a heavy tool like a hairdryer on them. For the price, this mat does its job and does it well. As for build quality, the mat feels durable and built to last. It's flexible enough to fold up without cracking, and the material is sturdy without feeling overly rigid. After a couple of weeks of use, I didn't notice any signs of wear, so I'm confident that it will continue to perform as expected for a long time. As for customer service, I haven't needed to interact with the brand directly, but considering Shark's reputation, I'd expect responsive support if any issues arose. If you're looking for an alternative, there are some other non-slip mats out there, but I would say that most don't offer the same blend of simplicity and practicality. Some cheaper alternatives lack the durability or texture that holds up over time. To sum it up, the Shark HD100SANM non-slip silicone mat is a solid, no-fuss solution to a very specific problem, keeping your hairdryer securely in place while protecting your countertops. It may not be the most exciting product in the beauty world, but it certainly serves its purpose. If you're tired of your dryer sliding around or risking damage to your counter, this mat is a must-have. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.